Okay, everyone, we are here on page 222, 222, 222, 222. Find the page. It should be right where we left off in our books. Okay, right after what we did in school today. I think we did 221. So here we are on 222. As you can see, it's a little quiz page. So I want you to try this on your own. Van a tratar de hacerlo en español o en inglés. Okay, leyendo. You have to be able to read your problems. In third grade, you will read everything and do it all by yourself by reading. Por eso, trate de hacerlo. I want you to pause your video right now and try them. Well, did you pause the video? Did you do them all? Okay, we're going to check. Remember, you're not going to learn unless you try to do things on your own. Okay, let's read the first one. Jaime puts 3 oranges on each tray. How many oranges does he put on 5 trays? Jaime pone 3 naranjas en cada bandeja. ¿Cuántas naranjas hay en 5 bandejas? Okay, he's putting oranges on trays. You know, like you have a school lunch, you have a tray. Okay, how many trays did he put oranges on? 5 trays. Now you could try drawing a picture of trays. How many trays? There were 5 trays. Había 5 ¿qué dice? Bandejas. There's 5. And how many? He puts 3 oranges on each tray. 3 naranjas en cada bandeja. Por eso, draw your picture. 5 trays, 3 oranges on each tray. How many oranges? Well, you could count them all, or you could do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 and 3 is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. So 6 and 6, this 6 and this 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 3 more. 13, 14, 15. Or you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How did they do that in third grade? They do this. 3 times 5. 3 por 5 son 15. 15 oranges. Número 2. Maurice has 4 rows of toys with 4 toys in each row. How many toys does he have? Mauricio tiene 4 hileras de juguetes de 4 juguetes cada una. ¿Cuántos juguetes tiene en total? Now, do I have to draw toys? No, I can do a model with something easier to draw. What's easier to draw? How about little circles, like counters? Okay, there are 4 rows, and in each row there's 4 toys. 4 toys. I'm just doing 4 circles. And how many rows? 4 rows. We gotta have, that's a row. I need 4 of them. 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows of toys and 4 toys in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. How much does he have? Well, that's 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals what? By the way, this is the same as 4 times 4. 4 por 4, pero 4 más 4 más 4 más 4. 4 más 4 son 8. 4 más 4 son 8. 8 más 8. 8 más 8 son, that's doubles, 16, 16. Or you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 juguetes en total. Did you get that one right? Let's read this one. This one I bet you people get wrong because they always do the wrong thing. Jack has 12 pencils and 7 pens. How many more pencils than pens does he have? Jack tiene 12 lápices y 7 bolígrafos. ¿Cuántos lápices más que bolígrafos tiene? Well, you're comparing the two numbers. What's the difference between 12 and 7? How many more is 12 than 7? When they ask a question, how much bigger is one number than another number? What's the difference? What must you do? Subtract, not add. That is 12. Take away 7. You want to know how much bigger 12 is, you have to subtract. 12 quita 7. 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5. La diferencia de 5 lápices. 5 pencils. That's when people always add when they should be subtracting. When you want to know how many more there is, one number is than another number, you must subtract to get the difference, to get the extra. How did you do on number 4? This was actually kind of easy. Laura has 9 apples. John has 6 apples. How many apples do they have together? Laura tiene 9 manzanas. John tiene 6 manzanas. ¿Cuántas manzanas tienen los dos? En total, ¿qué tenemos que hacer? Por supuesto, tenemos que sumar 9 más 6. Hey, what's 10 plus 6? 10 plus 6 is 16. So what's 9 plus 6? You got to take 1 away from 16. Porque es uno menos. If 10 and 6 is 16, 9 and 6 must be 15. 9 más 6, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's try it again. 9 plus 6, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's 15. I like this way, though. Think instead of doing 9 and 6, do 10 and 6, but then take 1 away. 16, take away 1 is 15. 15 manzanas. Okay, circle the even number. Which one's the even number? Well, remember we got odd numbers and even numbers. Even numbers are when you can pair them up, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 0. Any number that ends in a 2, a 4, 6, or 8, or 0 is even. The odds are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. So what's 1? Odd. What's 3? Odd. What's 5? Odd. What's 8? Even. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? They all match up. But look at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 extra. 1, 2, 3. 1 extra. 1 extra. Uno sin compañeros son odd, impar. These are impar. Pero buscamos el número par, even number. And si era el ciclo el número par, par is even. How about the last one? What is the sum? 9 and 7. What's 10 and 7? 10 and 7 is 17. So what's 9 and 7? It's 1 smaller. What's 1 smaller? Uno menos 16. If 10 and 7 is 17, 9 and 7 is 16. You just take 1 from the 7, you get the 6. Right? Okay, you can do it this way. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Fácil. Okay, how'd you do on this? Did you get a 6? I got a 6. Okay, whatever. Here we go. Oh man, we got a big blank paper. What do we do here? Okay, I'm going to give you a problem to solve. See if you can solve it. Are you ready? I want you to try to do this with counters. Okay, now the problem is we don't have any counters here. Okay, let me read it first. Clayton has 3 rows of cards. There are 5 cards in each row. How many cards does Clayton have? I don't have cards. I can't do this problem. I don't have. No, you can do it with a model. You don't have to use cards. If I was at school, I could find some counters, but I'm not at school, so I'm going to look around. And here's what I found. I found some pumpkin seeds. Okay, well, let's see what it says. Clayton has 3 rows of cards. There are 5 cards in each row, so I'm going to put 5 seeds in each row. Right? I'm using the seeds to model the problem. I don't have cards. Okay, that's 1 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cards in each row. Clayton has 3 rows. I gotta have 3 rows. 3 hileras. Necesito otra hilera. Porque Clayton tiene 5, ¿qué dice en español? Clayton tiene 3 hileras de tarjetas. Hay 5 tarjetas en cada hilera. 5 y una hilera más. Porque quiero 3 hileras. I want 3 rows. So I need to make 1 more row. There it is. Look. 3 rows. And there's 5 in each row there are 5 cards. But I'm using pumpkin seeds because it'll come out with the same answer. Now, I could count all these, right? I could count them. But if they're all 5s, can I count by 5s? 5, 10, 15. 15. Where'd I put the answer? You didn't ask where I put the answer. 15. 15 what? Cards. Or tarjetas. Dicen tarjetas? Sí, tarjetas. Well, I'm going to write cards. If you want to write tarjetas, si quieres escribir tarjetas, Elías, Noé, Emily, busca la palabra aquí en azul. Tarjetas está abajo. Now it says to draw the model now. So I'm going to take the seeds away. And I'm going to use, this time I'm going to use X's. Okay? 3 rows of cards. There are 5 cards in each row. I'm going to put 5 X's. Each X stands for a card. There's a row. 5 cards or 5 X's. But I want 3 rows. So I'm going to make another row. 5 X's. And 1 more row. 5 X's. What do I have? Well, I have 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 días 15. You can also do this. 5 times 3. 3 5s equals 15. That's 3rd grade math multiplying. 5 por 3 son 15. Okay, guys? You got it? Again, we're working with rows here, rows of numbers. Okay, so we add the same number, 5 plus 5 plus 5, because there were 3 5s. Anyway, that's called repeated addition. Repeated addition is the same as multiplication, but that you're going to be doing in 3rd grade. So that's enough for today. Tomorrow we'll be back in class, and we're almost done this chapter. Not too much more to go. We'll work on this tomorrow in class. Okay, guys, good job. I hope you absorbed some of that in your little pea brains. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.